The NTC 2-stages impregnation line is designed for impregnating and drying decorative paper with melamine resin. The high-precision metering rollers achieve coating accuracy up to 1 gram per square meter. The metering rollers are made from forged steel with surface electroplating, providing high hardness and excellent straightness. This impregnation system ensures superior coating quality while significantly reducing the glue waste. The second coater has an accuracy within 0.01 millimeters. The smoothing roller setup, with 3 motors and 4 rollers, greatly enhances smoothing precision. The pulling machine adopts a 5 rollers combination, which effectively provides the pulling power and cooling. The 3 key factors in the impregnation drying process are glue application, volatile uniformity, and pre-curing degree. NTC equipment is continuously improved to ensure efficient, high-quality paper production.